Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in your Toyota Sienna. First, let's talk about preparation and safety. Before you begin, gather your AC recharge kit, which typically includes a can of refrigerant and a hose with a gauge. Safety is paramount, so always wear eye protection and gloves. Ensure your Sienna is parked on a level surface, and the engine is completely off before you start working. This ensures a safe and effective process. Now, let's find the low-pressure service port. This is crucial for a successful recharge. Typically, you'll find it on the passenger side of the engine bay. Look for a port that is usually marked with an L and is noticeably smaller than the high-pressure port. Once you've located it, carefully remove the protective cap. This port is where you will connect your recharge hose to add refrigerant to your system. With the low-pressure port exposed, it's time to connect your recharge kit. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting of the recharge hose to the low-pressure service port. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Next, start your Sienna's engine and turn the air conditioning to its maximum cooling setting with the fan on high. Now, observe the pressure gauge on your hose to get an initial reading of your system's refrigerant level. Now for the recharge. While the engine is running and the AC is on high, slowly add the refrigerant in short 10 to 15 second bursts. Between each burst, check the pressure gauge. Continue this process until the gauge reads within the recommended pressure range, typically between 25 and 45 pounds per square inch. Once complete, disconnect the hose, replace the protective cap, and you should now be enjoying much cooler air from your Sienna's AC system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.